Hi guys, Thomas here, and the other day I noticed that on this channel that I haven't uploaded on in one set, let me just check how long. I haven't uploaded to this channel in 3 months, okay? It's been 3 months since I've uploaded to this channel, and this video is absolutely popping off currently. It's like getting 50 views every 2 days. So guess who's making a sequel? I am. And a lot of stuff has changed since then. So as you can see here, I am using my rubbish old laptop inbuilt webcam with very weird 4:3 aspect ratio. Now we actually have it's, believe it or not, I think it's I might not be using my inbuilt webcam there. I might be using the webcam I'm using now, which they have a lot better lighting and a 16:9 aspect ratio. We are going to be yet again comparing a Courage PC World PC to a custom PC. Let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm going to go through Curry's and try and find as a decent one to go through. So, I believe we did this one last time. Was it this one? It was I forgot which one we did last time. What in the hell is this? What is this? Who's going to be using... Who wants this on the desk? What? $10,700K. Wait, is this a typo? No, I don't think RAM exists. I don't think DDR4 RAM exists that slow. What the hell? It's 3,400 quid. No, sorry, 3,800 quid. And it's not even got, it's only got gigabit Ethernet. Oh, please say no one's bought it. Please say no one's bought it. Please say no one's bought it. Where can you see reviews? I don't think anyone's bought it. Good. Okay. No one is stupid enough to have bought that yet. Thank God. Let's actually look for a decent one that we can use. And just a quick heads up, I know everything's out of price currently, and I know everything's out of stock, so I will keep that in account when I'm doing my final opinion at the end of the video. But for now, I'm just going to do everything as the MSRP, just to keep everything really like normal, if you know what I mean. In that video, we reviewed the Acer Nitro N50 110, which isn't on here, but I think it's probably best we just go for the first one that pops up. Is it the PC Specialist? Is that who does it? Yeah. But does that count as a Curry's PC World PC? Let's say it does. Let's go for this £900 one, shall we? Let's go for that, and let's see if you can get a better deal. Let's look at the specifications. It has 3600, 8 oh, that is extremely slow RAM. 1660, which... Now, okay, I know user benchmark isn't that much of a reliable source, but if we go on 1660 versus 1650S, which is what I have the 1650 Super in my PC, which is right there currently. Let's have a look. It's not that much, it's 3% faster. It is literally 3% faster than my GPU. Obviously, I'm going to take that with a grain of salt because it's user benchmark. But, yeah, because it's only got GDDR5 RAM compared to mine, which has GDDR6. It has got 2 gigs more, but still, that's very, very slow RAM. Wi-Fi 6, so we'll have to include Wi-Fi. HDMI, audio, yes, to be fair, it's not bad having the card reader. It's not got a bad I/O on the top, to be fair. That is very not bad. Like, if I was to recommend a pre-build, I'd probably go with one of these PC Specialist ones, or there's 125 customer reviews. Let's delve into these, shall we, quickly. Needs more RAM. Died after only a week. No, it couldn't. Also could come with a disc. No, if you are trying to buy a gaming PC in 2021, it now is, I think, anyway. And this guy doesn't know, obviously, asking for a disk drive. Okay, that was in 2020. No, what? No, it was. It was in 2021. Okay. So this one. Now, let's just go into a PC part picker list and let's get building. So first of all, I'll mimic the exact same list and see how much it is. And after a quick look back, it is also a micro ATX motherboard. Can't really see how many DIMM slots. To be fair, it's good. They are using the stock cooler, which I do actually have one right here. The Wraith Spire cooler, the one that came with my 2600X. I have swapped it out recently for a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition RGB, which runs. If you have a 2600X or like a 3600X, I definitely recommend you upgrade the cooler. It's ridiculous the amount. You get like 1,000 more score in Cinebench. Temps are ridiculously lower. It's an amazing upgrade. I think it's worth it. For a budget pre-built, which this is, well, I say it's a budget pre-built. It's budget pre-built, like mid-range, let's say. But they will have cheaped out on the motherboard. So let's go for micro ATX. We'll go for the Mortar Max. We'll give it. Is it 64 gigs maximum installed memory? I think that's what it said. Yeah, it did. So the Mortar Max seems the best go-to memory. 2400 megahertz. It's just like, why? Okay, I found a better image here. So everyone, it looks, to be fair, like an absolutely rubbish motherboard. I think that's like a Gigabyte A321, so I'm going to change that out. Dual channel memory, which to be fair isn't that bad. So let's give that a quick change in our list to 2x4 gig. Storage, I think was just a 1TB hard drive and a 256 gig SSD, which is basically what I recommend. So that's not bad, to be fair. They've got that well on. So go for the cheapest one. Oh, is it M.2? Did they mention? I don't think it is. No, they didn't mention if it's M.2 or not. Let's go for this. I'm not going to go for one with the DRAM cache because the one that they chose will not have a DRAM cache. Let's go for this Kingston one, shall we? Video card, a 60. I'm going to add a custom part for this, okay? Because there's no way, seriously, you're going to get one. There should be. Yeah, I was going to get one earlier in the year for 200 quid. So, it's ridiculous, the price inflation at the minute. I'm hoping it'll go down extremely soon. Case, I'm just going to spend 50 on the case, because obviously, I can't really choose the exact same one. This one looks similar. Yeah, that looks about similar. Add. Power supply. Now, they will have gone for a time bomb. So I'm going to go for this Seasonic one, because that one's not bad. Now, moment of truth. This is the price of what that PC comes to. Without the building price, obviously. £683. So if we whip up the calculator, is it 899? Yeah, it is. 899 minus 684. That is £215 building fee. I'm going to call it a building fee because that's obviously they build it for you, which isn't the best at all. Like, I think some companies charge like 50 quid, so it's not good really. But it's not that. Some places will do it a lot worse, but that is not great. Now, I'm going to try and build a PC for a budget of 900 quid and see if we can get a better deal. So, for a £900 budget, just shy of 1,000, I'm going to go for the video card first, because that just seems the reasonable thing to start on. I'm going to go for a 3060 Ti. Now, these things should be MSRPing for about 380 quid, but they're going for like 700 currently. Like I said, prices are ridiculous. And CPU, if the price was normal, you know what, I'm going to go for the 3600 anyway, because the 5600X is still really overpriced. Motherboard, we got to get in a B550. I'm going to go with this MSI one. It's micro ATX, not what I wanted, but it's got Wi-Fi, and I think that's quite good. I know it's Wi-Fi. Memory, let's go for, instantly know what to go for, DDR4, 2x8 gig, sort by price low to high, and just go for this Kingston set. 'Cause normally, I went for the Vengeance RGB one, but it's like 85 quid at the minute. Storage, I'm honestly, it depends on how much we have. For now, I'm going to go for a 2TB hard drive with a 256GB SSD. But if we're a bit over budget, I'll lower that hard drive down. Go for an M.2 SSD. I'm going to go for the Corsair 275 or Airflow. Does it come with 3 fans? If it does, then that's good. I don't know, but that's good anyway. Power supply, 3060 Ti. Yeah, we might need to get rid of some parts here. My power supply, the Be Quiet System Power 9, that is what I have. 600 watts, works perfectly well. So now we need to shave off 100. I'm going to do it on the motherboard first of all. You know what, I'm going to go B450. Really, we should be going B550. But for prices, let's go for the B450F Gaming. RAM I can't change. I did accidentally put in 2 SSDs. If we take out this hard drive and shove in a 1TB hard drive, we should be down to around that mark. And I'll see if I can shave off much more money. Okay, thinking about it now, the CPU is going to come down in price. Everything, the motherboard probably will go down in price. So really, this is probably your best bet. 30 quid more, but we'll go to about the same price. We're getting so much more performance here. So with that in mind, I'm going to do a quick summary. If currently you want a PC and you need one now, no, you can't wait on, then I hate to be the one to say this, being a part of the PC Master Race myself, but it may, if you really need one and it's like a necessity, you need one, maybe get a pre-built, because everything's out of stock currently and it's going to be a while before it all comes back into stock. But if you don't need one now and you're quite happy as how you are but you still want a PC, just save up. The longer you wait for the prices to come back up, the more money you'll get and the better things you'll be able to buy when they do come up. So with that in mind, let's end the video here. If you guys did enjoy, go down there, press subscribe. This channel, I might do some more videos on it about my PC. If you do want to see that, like I said, tell me in the comment section. Like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.